What's up, my name's Technobo here for Troubleshoot, and in today's video, I'm going to show you a rather useful tip with Steam if you have a limited or slow connection. Basically, if you go ahead and open up Steam, you'll notice that as soon as you finish logging in, Steam will automatically resume downloads. You'll have to click the downloading section at the bottom and then pause your downloads over here. Otherwise, it will use all of your internet speed and possibly even data to download games. If you have a limited connection, then you know just how annoying this could be. So how exactly do we stop these automatic downloads from starting themselves when we open up Steam so that we can instead start them ourselves by deciding which game we want to update or download? Well, it's actually pretty simple. There isn't exactly a toggle to turn this off, but there is an option that does something similar. If we head across to Steam at the very top, followed by Settings, we can go to the Downloads tab on the left, and we'll see this option over here under Download Restrictions. Only auto-update games between. Simply make sure that this is checked, and then pick 2 hours that you know your PC is off for. Usually this will be somewhere around, say, 5 to 6 a.m. This way, if you turn off your PC or put it to sleep at about 11 or whenever you go to bed and you only turn it on in the morning, then your Steam won't automatically update any games at all. Of course, if you leave your computer on 24/7, then this is not going to be a solution for you. Instead, you'll just have to get used to Steam automatically starting downloads whenever you open it up. It's not too big of an issue, but of course on a limited fast connection, you may be using a lot of data within a really small amount of time and you may end up paying for it. So anyway, once we've scheduled automatic updates to only start between 2 hours that our PC is off for, all we have to do is click OK and exit out of Steam. This way, when we open it up, we should see if it automatically downloads or doesn't. Let's go ahead and test it. As you can see, it said downloading 0 out of 1 and then 1 out of 1. If we click on the download section, you'll see that update required, not queued, over here is scheduled for tomorrow at 5 a.m. Now, of course, as far as I know, this also applies to workshop content, which is one of the harder things to pause or cancel out of entirely. As if you simply click pause, it'll really insist on downloading immediately whenever. Now, when I used to have a limited, slow connection, this was an issue for me as it was using up a lot of data without me even realizing by simply starting up Steam. With this simple solution, everything is fixed. And of course, if you feel like actually using this feature, such as you have free internet or free data past, say, midnight, you can of course click the time up here in the top left and adjust it to be, say, something from midnight to maybe 5 or 6 a.m. This way, if you leave your PC on, it'll automatically schedule and then download a bunch of updates while you're sleeping and your data is free or really cheap. But of course, this all depends on your ISP and whether this is actually a thing for you. I, of course, don't have to worry about this, so I leave it off. Anyway, that's about it for this video. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Technobo here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.